Hi everyone, this is Alicia from JWB Manufacturing in Tempe, Arizona. I want to show you just how easy it is to make an online order from our website. So you'll see we're on the home page here. We're going to go to Shop Blades. And we at JWB really strive to have all of our blades in stock and ready to ship, but we also make other standard and custom blades that are not always available online, so it's important to call. So you'll see on the left side we have all of our machine styles, and the first blade we're going to look at is the PS 9500. Okay, so at the top here you'll see that we have a light description of the blade itself, but we also have a photo. So you can click on the photo, take a look, make sure it's the one that you like. Okay, looks good. Let's go back. And we're going to buy this one. Okay, so we'll see it has a description, it has the quantity, we're going to buy one. And what's great is that we have a notification that says that it has been added to our cart. We're going to go back and buy a few more blades. And the next one we're going to look at is a Unistrip 2015 blade, fiber stripping. Click on this. And you'll notice that it's very consistent. So this too has a light description here and also has photos. So we're going to click this photo. All right, looks great. We're going to go back, press buy. And instead of one, we're going to buy two of these. And once we hit buy, it should go into our shopping cart. And yes, we have a notification that it's been added. And we're going to buy one more blade. Go back to Shop Blades. And this time, we are going to buy a Jacket Strip 8400. And you'll see it also has a description at the top. And we're going to see a photo of this blade. All right, looks great. Let's go back. And we are going to buy this one. Check our quantity, we're going to buy one of this. And as the previous two, we should get a confirmation, and it has been added to our cart. Okay, so now we're going to view our cart. And you'll see it's really easy to see and understand. So on the left here, let's say you made a mistake, you can easily get rid of any orders. You have the price, but you can also change the quantity. So we'll scroll down, we have the shipping rate, estimated for Arizona. And we have the total, and we're going to proceed to checkout. So if you are a returning customer, you can click to log in at the top. If you have a coupon, enter a code, and you'll just fill out the billing details, your shipping address, and of course there's another breakdown of all your costs. And we have a secure checkout, whether you're using PayPal, credit card, e-check, and then simply click that you have read and agreed to the website terms and place your order. And it will be sent to us immediately, and we will get working on that as soon as we get it. Thank you so much for listening and watching.